So what is an out-of-body experience? It's like astral projection, but when you're awake. You're still tethered to your body, unlike in a near-death experience where you don't recognize your body or yourself. Every time that I've astral projected or had an out-of-body experience, I still recognize my body if I choose to look at it. And it's not to say I don't do this all the time. This leads into my next question that I get a lot. Is it safe? Well, that's up for debate because it all depends on you. Your ability to be authentic with yourself, okay? This is not something that you should just go into without thinking, having the intention of wanting to learn something from this. Otherwise, you might accidentally attract negative entities to you if you are in a bad state of mind or have a negative thought while you are in this state. Your way to stay safe then would be to watch your intentions, watch your thoughts, know how to replace a negative thought with a more high energy thought, a more optimistic thought, a more loving thought, a more understanding thought. Do not be afraid to ask loving light beings or angels, whatever you want to call them, ask them for help. You know, if you go into this confidently, understanding yourself, and you're just in a great frame of mind going into this, you're going to be just fine. Negative entities do not like being around people who are happy. Just like narcissistic people in the human body experience, narcissistic people cannot stand or tolerate you if you are happy or optimistic, and they try to say something negative to you and you just kill them with kindness, basically. They run away. So you'll be okay. This is something that's, I'd like to say natural, because every human being has the ability to do this. However, we just haven't known about doing it recently. Humans dissociate regularly. It's normal. You know, there's a scale of dissociation. You know, being in alpha brainwave state, dropping down into theta. I mean, you dissociate when you meditate. It's consciousness on a scale. Your consciousness is mostly out of your body, but still within your human body, breathing and alive. Is your perspective a good one or a negative one? And going into this, you're going to feel your body dissociate. Are you okay with that, or are you not okay with that? You know, love and hate are the same body chemicals. Norepinephrine, if I'm saying that correctly, and adrenaline. So the only difference is your perspective, which your perspective, if you think about it, is based on whatever you think. If your thoughts are more regularly and consistently positive or optimistic or understanding or loving, then your perspective is going to be more, I can do it, confident outlook. How do we do it? How do we have an out-of-body experience? It's easiest when we fasted or we don't eat for a couple of hours, because your body, if you eat, is digesting. So you can still do it after eating, but your body is going to have a little bit more time trying to relax and not focus on just digesting. I mean, it's doable. It's just not as easy. So I try to do this if I need to do it. I do it in the morning. I haven't eaten all night while I'm sleeping, obviously. And I'm wide awake. It makes it easier to be in control of the body. So you need to understand your intention. Why are you wanting an out-of-body experience? Why are you wanting to astral project? Why are you seeking information? Are you trying to understand that there's something bigger than ourselves? What is your intention? Why? Try not to have fear about it. There's nothing to fear. You are in control of your thoughts. If you see something that makes you uncomfortable, you are more than welcome to have the thought, I want to go back to my body now. Hey, loving light beings, can you come protect me? Hey, loving light beings, I have some questions for you. And try not to be too excited, because that is part of the judgment mind. You know, I'm so excited, finally I got it. And then you get sucked back into your body. You're changing brain waves. You're changing from this probably gamma brainwave state, I would assume, or delta, whatever, and jumping right up into beta, which is the primal brainwave state. So you're more awake. There's no need for a clear mind. I do breath retention to get myself to slip into this brainwave state much faster. I'll do my breathing first. I'll be counting in my head as I do my breathing to keep my brain focused on something. Then after that, then I'll do my chants As my body is relaxed, my lips will just kind of move a little bit and mumble it out. And then my body will start twitching, my body will start buzzing. What does it feel like? So right before exiting your body, you'll feel a vibrating all over. Relax into it. Trust this process. It's okay. You're safe. This is natural to feel this way. You are protected. These loving light beings are not bound to time like you and I are in this human body experience. They would love to come and protect you and help you if you need it. They follow your intentions. If you are willing to have them help you, they'll offer your advice. I had the one answer my questions and then say, okay, time to go back to your body now. And I went, oh, okay. I'm not one to argue with a loving light being. They are far more wise than I am. Hopefully some of these things have been helpful. Thank you for listening to this. Thank you for staying curious.